Hello mga Swifties! We listen and we don't judge. Fangirl Edition, Taylor Swift version. Yes, Taylor's version ito. Okay, una, para sa akin, ang best vault track ay ang Castles Crumbling. Yes, from Speak Now with Hailey. Sobrang ganda ng song. I love it. And then, best Taylor Swift album. For me, this is still, oh my gosh, Reputation. Yes, una favorite ko dati ang Red, pero nung lumabas ang Reputation, it's Reputation. Tapos, dapat naging single ang Getaway Car from Reputation. I don't know, baka makita natin yun sa Reputation version, sa Taylor's version ng Rep, so sana. And then, best Swifties ang Asian Swifties. Lalo na ang Pinoy.